Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. How is everyone doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Akshat,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, I don't find you till the end of the meeting. You are there only for the 5 minutes, and after that, you are nowhere in the class. Please try to be there throughout. Okay. I think there is one more boy, Akshat Raj.
Yes, ma'am. I too am there.
Akshat Raj, sorry. Okay. See, I have a class with 8th A, but today 8th B is also there.
Ma'am, we have to discuss the question answer of
Right. Beta, Anvi is writing that please unmute me. Beta, I have not muted everyone. You can rejoin the meeting. Okay. Anvi, if you can hear me, please rejoin the meeting. And can I have the cameras open, please? Yes, 8th B students. What are we supposed to do? Question answers only, I believe.
Question answer of chapter 5, F part.
Yes, Rajnandini. No, sorry, Om said.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Om.
And chapter 5, F part, question and answers.
F part. Okay. Okay, those who are facing little problem in, controlling the camera or the mic, they can rejoin the meeting. Maybe there is some, glitch, because I don't mute anybody, and neither I don't allow the participants to open the camera, right? This is not from my side. Okay. So you all enjoyed your Rakhi holidays?
Yes.
Very good. I'm just connecting with the device. Manya Pranjali Singh. Beta, there are two Pranjalis, no? One is in one section and the other is in the other section, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this Pranjali Singh is in which section?
Ma'am, A section. 8th.
Beta, please, if you could open your cameras, class. With B also, we are with A also, we are on B F exercise, 5th question.
Yes, ma'am.
And with A also,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes.
I'm just sharing the screen with you all. I think class, I have told you about the work that is to be done in the notebooks for this particular chapter.
Yes, ma'am. 4 flowcharts and ma'am 2 map work.
And
No,
the
you
map.
have-
Yes.
Yes.
In both the sections, I have told, I
Ma'am,
believe.
your voice is
Yes,
cracking.
No, ma'am.
No, it's not. Huh? Is it? Tanishka, Kush, Pranjali Singh, Manya, Sahil, Vansh, please open your cameras, beta.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, I'm unable to open my camera.
Then you rejoin, Sahil. Right? Rejoin.
Ma'am, I am opening my camera in a minute.
Okay. Okay, we are on the.
Ma'am, you will make us write the answer.
No, no,
Ma'am,
I think we have discussed these answers in the class.
Ma'am, we have discussed, ma'am, short answers, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 to 20
Yeah,
words.
we have to start
Yes.
from E3.
Okay, okay, 10 to 20 words we have done, and F exercise we have to start, right?
Yes, ma'am. 50
In
to
both the
70.
sections, class in both the sections, the thing is the same,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
excuse me.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, please tell third, fourth, fifth answer in E part. Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Tanishka, you can always tell.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer of a third one. I know the answer of a fourth one.
Okay, third one I'm
Ma'am,
showing
may I
on the
test?
screen.
Ma'am, may I have third one?
Yes, Dhruv, you can always.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the uses of copper are used to make electrical wires and appliances because of its high conductivity. Also used to make the employees like brass, bronze, German, silver, etc.
Huh. See, answer 3 is given on the screen as well. If you could write.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, fourth and fifth.
Got closed.
Just showing.
Ma'am, can I tell the fourth one?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Fourth one.
Anthracite,
Can
bituminous,
I tell the answer of
lignite,
fourth one?
wheat.
Yeah, can you see? Can you see?
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
number 3 is there on the screen. Those who have not done this, they can always write it there from here.
Ma'am, I have written
Ma'am.
from my by side from the book, from taking help
Ma'am.
from book, right?
Yes, Akshat.
Ma'am, on this answer for ma'am, in front of anthracite, I have written the best quality of coal.
You can. I told you that you can do that also. You can write that also. What is given in the paragraph as it is, you can write, but in points. Like writing about anthracite, writing about bituminous, but writing about lignite and peat as well. Right?
Excuse me, ma'am, these answers I have written by myself by taking the help from book, so it's right.
You can always counter check, beta. You can always counter check.
Okay, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, one.
Ma'am, what we are doing, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Beta, we are doing question answers. Yes.
ma'am, that natural gas is also used for making raw material.
What kind of raw material, beta?
Ma'am, for manufacturing that petrochemical and fertilizer. Okay, ma'am, because ma'am, on the B point, I have written this point.
In the B part, you have B as B point. You have written this. Let me
Ma'am,
just.
Done. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, we are doing a question answer 5th chapter.
Yes, we are doing question answers of 5th chapter. We have to start from F part. Those who could not complete their E part, those children are doing the E part 3, 4, and 5 questions.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, fine. You can always find answers for the next 2 parts which are there, F and G. You can always find answers for that, so that when we'll discuss, you are there to answer those questions, right? Those who have done, they can always find answers for the other questions which are there. Eighth A.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please scroll up, ma'am. 1, 2, ma'am. I will take my photo of that, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer 1?
Wait a second, beta. Yes, can you see, Aman?
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Done? Fine.
I'm done.
Right.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what about others? Do it little quick.
Ma'am, on last.
And
Okay. Beta, F exercise, first question is also there. Those who have completed, they can carry on with this. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji beta.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see the screen. So can I rejoin?
You can rejoin always.
Okay.
And beta, class listen, for your half-yearlies, second, third, fourth, and fifth chapters are there, right? First chapter was already assessed in the UT, so I'm not giving it again. I hope I am clear.
Ma'am, second, third, and fourth.
Second, third, fourth, and fifth.
Ma'am, these chapters come in half-yearly.
These are the chapters for the half-yearlies. 2 to 5 chapters.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, and everything that is done, flow charts, diagrams, map work, whatever we have done additional in the classes, that will also be part of your syllabus, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 8th A students, those who are there in the class, please your attendance. Yes, Tanmay, 2, 3, 4, 5. These chapters only. Adya Gupta, do we have Adya in the class? No. Anav Gangwar. Aditya Narayan Tiwari. Agrim Saxena. Akshat Chandra.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Akshat Raj. Not there. Altamashuddin. Nahi hai. Anvi Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am. Agrim Saxena present, ma'am.
Right. Then Anvi Gangwar, do we have Anvi? No. Radhe Nagpal.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Arsh
Adinakpal present.
Yes. Arsh Rana.
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh Bhardwaj. Daksh Bhardwaj, not there. Dakshya Singh Panyavar. Devansh Gangwar. Dhairya Agarwal. Dhruv Bhojwani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruv Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Fazil Khan. Gauransh Mittal. Kripansh Yadav. Kushagra Kumar. Manhir Kaur.
Present, ma'am.
Aman Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Uzair Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Naitik Garg.
Present, ma'am.
Prasun Gangwar. Prasun, are you there? Rajneesh. Rajneesh Kumar. Rishika Verma. Riya Tiwari. Prasun is not there in the class.
No, ma'am, I'm there. My
Okay.
mic was
Shagun
hanging.
Singh. Shagun Singh. Shashank Gangwar. Shreyan Sharma. Shikhar. Then Shikhar is also not there. Shubham Pratap not there. Tanishka Singh
Present, ma'am.
and Uday Saxena. Do we have Uday Saxena in the class?
Ma'am, don't know.
I don't know if he's there. Okay. Then 8th B. Ashish Yadav is there in the class? No. Aditya Saxena? No. Aishika Singh? No. Akshat Khandelwal?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Akshat Khandelwal is there. Anshuman Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Avnish?
Present, ma'am.
Divyanshu Singh? No. Udhiya Gupta? Harshita Demar?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, you have called the name Aditya Tiwari.
Yes, I called, but there was no response. You are
Ma'am,
there in the
sorry,
class?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
there in the class. You are from 8th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am present. Mark present.
Who is present?
Agrim Saxena.
Which class, beta?
8th. 8th.
8th C?
Ma'am, 8th A.
8th A. Jia Tiwari? Push?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Kanishk? Mahi Singh? Mahi Singh? Not there. Push Manrina? Manya? Mayank Yadav?
I'm present.
Okay, Manya Verma is present.
1%.
Okay. Who is present? Yes, Naitik?
What is written? Second question, B point.
Second question, B point. Turbines which when rotates produces electricity.
Okay, ma'am.
Pavneet Singh, Om Saraswat. Pranjali Dikshit.
Present, ma'am.
बेटा ये प्रांजलि सिंह का नाम नहीं आया ए सेक्शन में.
Yes, ma'am. I was about to ask the same.
This is not done. You are a new admission, Pranjali.
Yes, ma'am.
When did you took admission in the class? Like which month? Last month or this month only?
Ma'am, last month.
Okay. Can you tell your SR number if you know?
Ma'am, I will have to check it.
Fine, no issues. Fine. Are you attending the classes regularly, Pranjali?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Please repeat.
I'm saying, are you taking your classes regularly for social sciences?
Yes, ma'am, but since 1 week I wasn't well, that is why I missed 2 classes. Otherwise, I am taking them regularly.
Because last week you were not there. Chaliye, now how are you feeling? Better?
Yes, ma'am, now I am fine.
Okay. Rajnandani,
Yes, ma'am.
Raghav Saraswat, Rudra Vikram Singh, Sahil Khan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka. Yes,
Ma'am, did you mark my present?
yes, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Saksham Patel, Shivesh, Shobya Hayat, Surya Pratap Singh, Urvashi, Vansh Maheshwari, Zainab, Tanmay.
Present, ma'am.
Zainab is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanmay is also present. Fine.
Ma'am, Vansh is also present.
Huh?
Ma'am, but her voice is dead.
Akshat
Ma'am,
Khandelwal.
Vansh is also present. Ma'am, Vansh is also present, ma'am, but his voice is cracking.
Where is Vansh? I can't check. Okay, Vansh Maheshwari is present. Okay. Fine. Got it. देखो बेटा सबसे ऊपर मैसेज आया है एक कुछ Rajnandani, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see.
Okay, fine. With B section, I have one more class, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, the answer of my 10 to 20 part, second part, ma'am, is ma'am, the ore of aluminum is also known as bauxite. Ma'am, I'm written like this, and ma'am, it is found in Australia, Switzerland, and Brazil, USA.
इंडिया नहीं मिलता है, इंडिया में भी तो मिलता है, इंडिया भी लिखो.
Okay, ma'am.
कोई कंट्री को एग्जाम कर दो, राइट इंडिया एज वेल, नो?
Okay, ma'am, my answer is right.
हाँ, it is correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
But India is not mentioned in bauxite.
Yes, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, India is
Will
not
spring out
mentioned.
job.
बेटा कैसी बात कर रहे हो? बॉक्साइट में इंडिया के स्टेट्स भी दिए हुए हैं और वो भी दिया हुआ है. इंडियन स्टेट्स दिए नहीं हुए बॉक्साइट के लिए, देखो.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
तो फिर
Yes, sir.
वही वर्ल्ड की कंट्रीज में तो नहीं मेंशन कर रहा है, पर हमारे पास बुक के चैप्टर में तो लिखा हुआ है एज इट इज हमारे पास,
Yes, sir.
है ना? We should not forget, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please scroll down little bit from second to third. Right much.
Fine.
Ma'am, down.
Some more.
Ma'am, not upside. Ma'am, it's going upside. Ma'am, I want it. Little more. Okay, ma'am. That's not.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see it again. It is showing black. Like कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा.
Shiva, do it yourself.
जी बेटा, क्या कह रहे हो बच्चे?
No, ma'am, I'm not saying to you.
Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me.
Ji beta.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
sir.
scroll up, ma'am. For a while.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, I'm done.
Mom, F part we will do tomorrow.
And G part we
Ma'am,
will do
G,
tomorrow.
G part.
Ma'am, G part we will do tomorrow.
Ma'am, please show me the third answer.
Ji beta. Third answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, G part we will do tomorrow.
No, A section, no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
With A section tomorrow and with B section in the next class that we have with them, okay?
Okay. Ma'am, please scroll. Third.
Down or up?
Ma'am, it's showing third.
I'm
Ma'am,
down. I'm down.
down. Ma'am, if ma'am, in this, ma'am, you can do up, then it will go down.
Yes.
Yes. No, ma'am. Answer number third. I want to say.
Answer 3 only it is showing.
Yes, ma'am. No. Okay, ma'am.
Beta, meeting is going to end any minute, okay? So see you all tomorrow. See you all tomorrow, right?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Ji beta. And B section, do join in the third period, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.